Hello grade 5, how are you guys? I miss you so much. Today is Wednesday, the 1st of April 2020. I will continue with the grammar lesson that we started last time, which it was about going to, okay? Now, we said that I use going to, I use it for plans or future plans, okay? And I use it for intentions. When you intend to do something, you put a plan in your mind and you want to do it in the future, you intend to do it, okay? Now, other use for going to, it's for predictions. Predictions, it's close to the intention, but predictions, you do them according to something you see in front of you, like you're standing on the window and you see that the sky isn't that blue, or you have some black clouds, and you say like, I think it's going to rain, okay? So like this, it is going to rain. So I call this sentence a prediction. So you are making some predictions according to something you can see in front of you. So this thing might happen and might not happen in the future, okay? So you predict it. It might happen, or it might come true in the future, or it won't, okay? It's not different than plans and intentions. It's the same form. I also use going to, okay, with verb 1. But I want to remind you with something. You made lots of mistakes in the activities I corrected for you, that you forgot to use the helping verbs. I told you, because I have going to and I have an ing here, I have and I must use a helping verb before going to. So I must use is, or am, or are. You look at the subject, okay, and then according to the subject you use the helping verb. If it's singular you use is, if it's plural you use are, and if it's I you use am. So you must use a helping verb before going to. Please don't forget to do that, because most of you made many mistakes and they forgot to use the helping verbs, okay? Now I will give you the activities you have to do on the book and on the workbook. I want you to do in the book, your lesson is on page 57, okay? I want you to do number 3 on the book and number 4 on the copybook, the same way we did the previous lesson, sorry, okay? And on the workbook I want you to do page 51, okay? 51 on the book. So don't forget that going to, it's the same form. I use going to with verb 1. I will repeat it and write it here. Going to plus verb 1. This is the form. And before going to, I must use a helping verb, is, or am, or are. One of these 3 according to the subject. Okay, so don't forget that. I want you to do these activities and send them back to me so I can correct.